everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and we are going on with the Ruth Mini-Journal, and I've been inking my cards, and I have a couple of little tasks here that need to be done. Okay, so I have a couple of little tasks here. There are a couple cards that have little captions to glue on, and so I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting. I left them attached until I knew I was going to put them together, so I didn't lose them. Okay, so you decide if you want that, how you want to do that. I think I'm going to offset it and let it stick up on the top a little bit, because it crowds her head a little too much for my taste if I glue it up there. Okay, so think like that. And then this one that says Ruth and Naomi. Some ink on that edge where I had them attached, and probably down here at the bottom on that one will work. Move that over just a little bit, center it. Okay. And then the other thing is we've got a little coin envelope. I went ahead and folded it. I should have used my scoring board. I didn't. Tried to do it by hand, so it's a little rough at the top, which sort of adds to the age look. That's what I'm going to say. So you want to glue those over the top of each other. And then glue the bottom fold up. That, and you've got that done, and then leave that open. So that's done. And so then I thought I'll take these 3 tags and work on those. So I'm going to use my regular, just my office kind of size hole puncher, because I want to use my paper labels to put on the circle stickers. So I'm gonna eyeball this and punch these. And I take these and I use Distress ink and color these ahead of time, so I've got some different ones to work with here. And I think those are what I want. It's one of my favorite things to do. I don't know why, but I just think these are easy and fun to do. And then I will pick out some ribbon to put in here. I'm hoping to get some lacy edges sewn onto this, but I'm going to save that till the end, and so sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, depending on what I've got glued into it. Okay, so then ribbon, let's see, where'd my ribbon go? Okay, so let's see, I've got a bunch of snug and hug is what I'm trying to say. Let's see what I have. And actually, I wouldn't mind getting some green in there, so even though I've got orange on the stickers. I think I might cut a piece of ribbon from this, because there is a lot of green in the artwork. Okay, so there's one, and let me do that blue-green. And then I'll do one orange one, I guess. Let's see. Ouch. Somehow lost the first pen. I don't know where it went. Okay. Okay, so there are the tags. Okay, so I've separated my cards. There's a couple more up here that I don't have inked. Separating my journal cards and little things that I'll be gluing in later, and then my pockets that I'm going to glue in. And I've got a belly band, so I think I'll do that. Okay, so the belly band, I'm going to look for a place to put that, which is this, and it's long, it can be cut off. So I'm going to look for a place where that would look good. I don't see any place right off, so what I can do is use it as a pocket at the bottom and just cut it off that way. Let me go back through one more time. I could put it inside there. And I do like this page, but it does need something to add to it. So maybe I'll put it there. So I'm gonna put the glue here since I'm not sure how long to cut it right off the bat. All right, so there are those three things. So then we start to figure out where we want to put our pockets. And I've got this, it's not quite as big as a regular belly band, but if you wanted to make a belly band, you could make a plain one or a cloth one and then glue that on it as a design. It's also could be cute as a little pocket on the side. So that's a possibility. I've got the torn edges, so I'm moving it just a little bit over from the torn edge so it doesn't stick out and look weird. And let's see. I think I might put that there. I like to glue the pockets on the inside edge so that when you put things out in the pocket, if it sticks out over the edge, it doesn't stop it. Where if you put the pocket over here, you're limited by the width of the page. Plus that will keep me from being able to stitch lace or anything on the edges. So, and then we've got that pocket already. Let's see if I have these little pockets. Just not sure. Yeah, I guess that's all right. I was gonna say, I'm not sure I want to use the exact same flower on the same page, but it kind of looks cute. This one could use some help. Let's see if I have any. It's going to violate what I just said. I could put it, no, I don't want to cover the bird up. I think I might put that one on that page, even though it is in the corner that I said I didn't want to do. Well, I don't really want to put the same fabric, I mean the same, yeah, design on. Actually, that might be a good place for that one. Okay, this one definitely needs a pocket. And I mean, that one goes better with it color-wise, but it needs a bigger presence, I think. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. I think I'm going to cut this one down so that I can use it at the top. Okay, all right, well, I'm going to stop for now and come back on the next video and do the rest. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.